In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the oven burner of the model 6275 and 6276. Remove the oven racks. Remove the bottom plate. Remove the two screws at the back of the burner. Remove the front screw. Remove the burner. As you place the new oven burner, make sure it is perfectly aligned with the back nozzle. Make sure the burner is perfectly aligned with the two screw holes. Screw back the front of the burner. Replace the two screws at the back of the burner. This completes the installation.